guys, welcome to Spyro Tech 365. In this After Effects tutorial, we are going to create this. Now, create a new composition. Name it as what you like. Set preset as HDTV 1080p. Change the frame rate to 30, set the time duration to 10 seconds. Follow the steps with me till the end of this video. Change the parameters of effects and presets like I do. I hope we will do something amazing at the end. we go. Okay, now our animation is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it informative, entertaining, or inspiring. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more content like this. We love hearing from our viewers, so please leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family if you think they would enjoy it too. Thanks again for your support, and we'll see you in the next video.